Magpapagas muna kami bago kami pumunta sa Switzerland. We're on the way now to Basel. We will sleep in Basel today. Ginabi na kami. We are here in Germany on the way to Switzerland in Basel. Yes, we're on the way to Basel at gabi na. Sana makapasok pa kami sa aming kwarto. Ayan, kainan na, merienda muna, nakapasok na kami. Ayan, we stay here in HIT Rental in Basel. Ayan, it's beautiful, the apartment. Look, it's nice. Ayan, we're leaving na and we will explore Basel today. So thank you for this beautiful apartment where we stay all night. Ayan, iwanan namin ng malinis na yung apartment. O diba, at kami ay maglalakwatsa na. Tuloy ang biyahe, tuloy ang lakwatsa. Buti nagkasya tayo dito sa elevator. Ang dami natin, siksikan lang. Ayan, so ready na. Simulan na natin ang ating lakwatsa dito sa Basel. Basel, Switzerland. Here we are. It's a nice site actually where we stay because just outside the highway. And then now it's just 5 kilometers we will be in the city center of Basel. So here we're going to Basel. This is the business area actually of Basel, and we are going to the cathedral, to the old town of Basel.
At the roundabout, don't go into this.
Look at that. And look at the cathedral, ang ganda oh. Ayun pati yung yung river nila, yung kanilang
At the roundabout, take the first exit on.
Ay, may dragon.
In 50 meters, the destination is on your right. Basel Cathedral.
Beautiful naman ang kanilang There's the cathedral. So here we are by the cathedral of Basel at nakakita ang mama ko ng double T. Ayan, picture. Oh. So on the way to the cathedral, picture muna tayo. Look, this is the cathedral. Red color, kaya kitang-kita siya, diba? And this is in front of cathedral. You see a lot of old building also, and inside the cathedral they still have the Christmas table kasi wala pang 3 Kings, is January 5 only. And you see, this is actually, the cathedral is not a Catholic anymore. This is a Protestant church now. Before it is a Catholic, but now it is a Protestant church here in Basel. It's called Basel Monster. After visit the inside the church at nagpray, we are here now outside again. And look, they have a very big Christmas tree. Hindi pa nila tinatanggal ang Christmas tree. Ang ganda, ang laki. And we went outside the church behind. Oh, look, the breathtaking place where you can see beautiful view of Basel. So this is at the back of the church. Tamo, ang ganda ng view. Ang ganda dito along the water. Ganda ng view niya. So picture muna tayo.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Huh? Yeah?
Ja, rozdziałki na wpływowy nie da, nie? Co to kontrola?
Tumingin at... Ah. Ah. La. Tingin ka sa view. Sapa.
Ang ganda ng view ng tulay dito. Ang ganda-ganda ng mga picture natin. Picture muna.
Mao. Wala.
Ayan yung sample of the church actually. Ayan, you see the church, how it built and how it's look like. Yung mini church, mini cathedral. And we will go here actually behind the church. Look, may pasukan. Punta tayo. And here behind the church actually, look. Ayan, dito nakalagay yung kanilang mga, because this one actually is rebuilt. Na broken na yung church na to noong 1200. Nasira siya because of the earthquake. Meron palang earthquake dito. So nasira yung church na to. So some part of the old church ay nandito sa likodan. So this is like their museum. Behind the church is the museum. Look. Makikita mo dito is some part of the old church before. Ayun sa mga dingding nandun yung mga statue. Picture. Ayan, tapos na kami magtingin doon. So we're going back na to the car because we're on the way again to Lucerne, Switzerland. We're going to Lucerne. Thank you so much for watching, guys. At sana panoorin nyo din yung aming video ng Lucerne, Switzerland. So this is Basel, Switzerland, the first city in Switzerland na pinuntahan namin to show my mother there and Ruela and Ricky. So this is Basel. We're on the way back to the car at magdadrive na kami papuntang Lucerne. See you soon. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you.
Keep right.
On the way to Lucerne. Yung pala, this is their football stadium.
Is it?
Yeah. Ayan, palabas na tayo sa Basel. You see? Football stadium standing there is Basel. Ayan, palabas na tayo ng Basel at going to Lucerne to Italy na tayo. Tonight we will sleep in